Welcome. Let's get opening. Just wanted to quickly say we'll be doing a giveaway at 50 subscribers.
But for now,
just received a parcel, thought I'd go open it. I know what it is. I'll be adding it to my collection binder. I'll show you that on way as well.
Well, okay then.
Would you fast forward, please?
Finally opened her up, huh?
I just ordered that off Everet to add to my personal collection.
that's an opening.
Technically, yes.
Did come in a sleeve.
I have to know, what's the condition?
The binder.
So yeah, some personal collection of Mr. Mime so far. Not many, but it's a start. Snorlaxes, which we had in this too. A few different ones. Pokemon Center one, no Pokemon Center. Most expensive one is probably that. Oh, it definitely is.
How much then?
Dittos. First edition Jungle. Hollow. Loaded. Hollow.
You know what else I like?
I've got a collection of 2022 Halloween, is it?
The randomness of it.
Flip to back. That's just fitting starters. Shiny energies. A few Japanese. Just random collection of all sorts really. Mostly from the original Pokemon, 5 ones.
You have an odd collection of
Just sort of collect whatever I come across basically.
That is fun.
My main goals are the Mimes, Dittos, and Snorlaxes.
And then, of course,
Once I figured out how to open a pack of Pokemon, things improved quickly.
So I've got a Paradox Rift booster pack to open today. Not opened one of these ones before. Let's see what we get. Swablu, Pansear, Nickit, Guaga, Mellow, Minigar, Dondozo,
how can you say that?
Gollis, Job, I think, I have no idea.
Wow, that pronunciation is flawless.
Fuecoco, Voltic, and I like the energy. Card.
Any promo in the giveaway?
I've got 3 here, what I'm going to be giving away. It's just a random core card to start. So there will be 3 cards plus a booster pack. Grand Tree Ace Spec. Capono. And Mr. Mime. And then the Stellar Crown booster pack as well. 50 subscribers, I'll be running the giveaway then. Thanks for watching. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. Have fun. See you next one.